Here we go, guys. Day 6, building online. Okay, so today we are live. So guys, Crawloria.com, right? We polished our tool last time, but I think we need every day there are articles in the blog. Crawloria.com, I'll show you. So there is a blog, right? Every day, even 12th of June. 20th of June. So every day there is a new SEO article here. They're quite nice, and it's another SEO agent working for it. I think these articles are scheduled until maybe 24th of June, and so after that we will add some. We have two tools. First one is free LMS TXT generator, which is like instruction for AI agents. And also there is a main tool, right? Which answers two questions. Can AI actually see your website with keywords? And second of all, can it shop at your website? But it's so posts. We scheduled 3 LinkedIn posts. This is the recent one. I'll show you the recent one. We've done it yesterday with my AI agents. And in this LinkedIn post, we want to do pre-audits for big brands, big e-com brands, just like this. And we do pre-audit for them and do a post for them. As you see, for now it didn't work, but we will try. So right now we scheduled two more posts like this, one for Monday, one for Tuesday. So the idea is, and you can see the name of the AI agent, Crawloria Game Agent. Idea is that we need some creative ideas. And so one idea I got is that maybe we can wipe code some kind of game, but with like educational game, right? Educational game, which will, I don't know, some kind of game for in a story of AI agents trying to buy something from the websites or I don't know, recommend the website. So it should be fun and it should be valuable to like requirements. How will we do it? Have no idea how will we do it. So in order to not to waste our time, we just actually create another Cloud Code session and ask it to name it Crawloria Real Game Agent. Okay, never mind. Good enough. And so here in this agent, we actually want to start working on this idea with game. So my idea is to create a game on Crawloria website. Game about AI agents trying to build something. trying to build something. Oh, no, not to build, to buy something. From ecoms or geo something. It should be fun and valuable for users. Idea. What if we like put some keyword, for example, best t-shirts in San Diego, whatever. It's some of the recommendations of the AI there, right? And what if we like ask AI agents with Google Chrome MCP, different AI agents, try to build something or to buy something there, and show is it possible, and if it's possible, how many tokens did it spend, and how quickly did it go to the end point where it's like buy. I don't know, maybe kind of like this idea, honestly. Maybe we will try it next week with our LinkedIn posts. So the LinkedIn post will be the video of AI agents running through different websites. I don't know. We will try different approaches, but this idea I like, at least something out of. Well, okay, at least we got one idea. Okay, what about our love this you, my sweetheart? It's very on brand for Crawloria. If you can't afford, can make the core thesis fail instead of explain. Let me think it through before we build anything. Be an agent, checkout simulator. You get a buyer mission, buy them. Specific. Actually, I like it. Story defense, tower defense. Agent stream into buy, you place fixes to purchase. Yes, okay. Let's start with a web page, but I wanted to be challenging and interesting. It is. Do you think you can search for good games if you wipe coded something in a day? Oh, it's playing. Oh my god. It's playing, guys. Wait a second. I hope. Okay. Okay. Okay, done. The game is built. Type check clean, and I played it through end to end in a real browser. You can play it right now at. Okay. What is it? The build a big building agent. Re-escalating. Blah 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 blah. Okay. Anyway, let's just try. No, not like that. Not like that. Okay, game from Claude Opus 4.8. 5 storefronts, 1 mission each. You see the way AI agent does, and the sites are fighting you. Beat the clock, dodge the traps, complete the purchase. Click the right element to move toward checkout. Wrong clicks cost you time and your combo. Beat the session time on every limit and same and the grade. Okay. Well, guys, this game is stupid. It's not fun to play this game. But it's right? Okay, so obviously game is stupid. It's not fun. Let's ask it to... Let's ask it to... So, okay, the fair feedback for it. Game is stupid. Stupid and boring. I want you to research internet about cool game mechanics. Simple but interesting. So I believe in the internet there are plenty of information about the games and about game mechanics and about what is good game and what's not good game, right? So I think there is... Okay, guys, we will wrap up the stream for today. So next time we will start with working on this game properly. So first iteration was kind of disaster. Okay, next time we will start from here and try to build